Hey guys, so today I have some polishes from Picture Polish. Before I get into that, I just want to address the big frizzy elephant in the room. I put my straightener away and I hid it from myself, and it's not going well so far. It's been like 2 weeks, and also my hair color is going to be all over the place for the next like 3 weeks worth of videos because I have some pink hair videos left, and so I actually think I only have one, and then this is what it's looking like right now, and I still have a couple videos filmed, or at least intros anyway, from when I had the purple hair, so it's going to be everywhere for the next couple of weeks. So today I have some new polishes from Picture Polish. These are their 3 newest regular polish releases, so these are available right now. I will link Picture Polish down below, and I'll get into the swatches. So the first polish is called Innocence, and this is a very, very light gray holographic. So this one is very sheer on that first coat. You get a little bit of color built up, and then you can see that holographic as well. It's fairly even, not really streaky. It does want to pool a bit to the sides of my nail, so I'm going to try to do a thinner coat on this nail, just so I don't have all of that pooling. That one's a little more streaky. And good formula on this one. So this one does start to build up a bit. The base color builds up a bit on that second coat, but it is still pretty sheer. And this one will definitely need 3 coats. I think when I filmed my intro, because I do swatch photos, intro, swatch video usually, I think I mentioned a gold shimmer in this polish when I was talking about it, and yeah, that's not a real thing. It didn't occur to me until I sat down to film these swatches that I was seeing the reflection of my light on my ceiling in the holographic, which made it look like it had a gold shimmer. So that's why I just checked the Picture Polish website to see if that was anywhere in the description, and it's not. So ignore me when I say that, because I already put my hair up and my glasses back on and my makeup's messed up, and I'm not refilming that. So this one builds up okay on that third coat. You can definitely still see nail line, and if you're not careful with that third coat, you can still create some streaks as well. So I'm doing a little bit thicker of a third coat, and I'm trying to like really barely touch the nail with the brush, just spread it out and let it settle on its own. So that is 3 coats of Innocence. The next polish is called Ahoy, and this is a slightly blue-green holographic with these little tiny black micro glitters. So this one is very opaque on that first coat. It's not quite a 1-coater because I do still have some streaks, but it's very close. You might be able to even get away with 1 if you're not picky. I don't think it's very likely, but you might. And good formula on this one as well. So this one does cover completely in 2 coats. You will get some texture out of those little black micro glitters that are in there, so you will want top coat to smooth that out. So that is 2 coats of Ahoy. And the last polish is called Silence, and this is described by Picture Polish as a purple gray with those little tiny holographic flakies. So this one is very opaque on that first coat. Could definitely get away with 1 coat here, and I believe that's all I did for my photos. And you don't get any texture out of those little holographic flakes that are in there. They dry really smooth and flat. And good formula on this polish as well. So that is 1 coat of Silence. So I think Innocence is going to be my favorite. It's almost perfect. It's a little bit too sheer for me, which is understandable when you look at like all the different elements that are in it and the fact that it's supposed to be a very light, whitish gray polish, but it's still my favorite because I really like the holographic and that little bit of a gold shimmer against that really light, delicate base. I would prefer if my nail line didn't show, but it's not the end of the world. So that one is my favorite. So those are the 3 new releases from Picture Polish. Again, I will link that website down below where you guys can check those out. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.